Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's hotel room tour, we're at the Renaissance Baton Rouge Hotel on Bluebonnet Boulevard. Construction on this building began in 1988 as a dormitory for the Jimmy Swaggart Bible College, an evangelical ministry that still occupies some of the surrounding property. But construction was halted in 1989 when allegations of a scandal of an adult nature caused funding for the ministry to dry up. The unfinished skeleton of the building stood untouched until 2007 when plans were announced to convert the building into the Marriott Renaissance. The hotel was finished and opened in late 2011. Renaissance is an upscale Marriott with only 160 locations worldwide, with each location uniquely themed to the local area. This location features a business center, convention facilities, a 24-hour fitness center, the Tallulah crafted food and wine bar on site, and an outdoor pool that can be enjoyed about 11 months out of the year with the warm Louisiana climate. Now we'll take a look at our King Deluxe room on the 11th floor. This is our room here at the Renaissance in Baton Rouge. It's a King Deluxe room, and we'll start with the basic safety features. We have a peephole. This is the map of the hotel. We have a mechanical deadbolt and a safety latch. It's kind of dark in here, so I got a flashlight. The room's well lit, but it's just not good for shooting video. As we walk in, immediately here on the right is a closet. And in the closet, we have a luggage rack, hangers, laundry bags, an ironing board. There's a safe mounted on the wall there, an electronic safe. We have extra bedding up here. And we have this dry bar here, where we have an ice bucket. We have a 1-cup coffee maker. And in here we have coffee cups, community private reserve breakfast blend supreme coffee, and community cafe special decaf, English breakfast tea, and pure peppermint herbal tea. We have a couple of creamers, sweet and low, equal in sugar. Down here below we have a few drawers. Nothing in them. And in here we have a small refrigerator. And in the refrigerator, I've already stocked it with iced tea, and they do include 2 free bottles of water here, the little bitty bottles. Up here for $4 you can enjoy purified water electrolytes for taste. As we move into the room, first of all, there's this mirror here, and when I first came in I thought that it was just leaning against the wall because it's at an angle, but it's actually an angled mirror, and it's actually mounted that way. We have a thermostat here on the wall, and then we have the room with a king-size bed, and there is lots of lighting here. These little reading lamps. There's a drawer on each side of the bed. And here we have the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. Over here we just have an empty drawer. This is an alarm clock, which which has 2 USB ports on top of it. They don't have any USB ports on this side, but they have an outlet so you can plug stuff in. I have a big couch here with a coffee table and this little chair. This table, I don't know if you can see it, has a fleur-de-lis etched into the glass. And a bunch of writing that appears to be in French. This is the desk area, and they give you a little lamp and a telephone, and of course the TV is over this chest of drawers, which has 6 drawers. They have a rolling chair here, and the only stationery, which is unusual for a Marriott, you would expect to get some kind of stationery for writing letters. I guess people don't do that anymore, but they gave us this, what appears to be an envelope with the Renaissance logo on it, but this isn't an envelope. It's just a piece of cardstock cut to about the size of an envelope, and it's not even really thick cardstock. It's probably like 110 index. I don't know what that could possibly be for. At the workstation, they do provide 2 electric outlets, and there's Ethernet ports up here. We didn't try them out though, so I don't know if they even work. So here's something I wanted to point out, that this is not specific to this hotel. I find it in just about every hotel we stay at, is the televisions are not appropriately sized for the size of the room. This is what we see when we look at the TV from the bed, and it would be the same from the couch. It's kind of a large room, and the TV is woefully undersized for the size of this room. Laying in bed, propped up against the headboard, even with my glasses on, I really can barely see to read what's on the TV. And as you can see, it's an internet TV, so we have the option of Netflix, YouTube, Pandora, Showtime, and the internet here, this thing appears to be hardwired to the internet with a Ethernet cable, so it's not relying on Wi-Fi or anything like that, but the internet here is too slow to be able to stream anything. So not only do you have a very small TV, but when you try to stream things, it's in like 480p or even 240p, and I guess it doesn't matter because I can't get my eyes to focus on this TV, even if it was in 4K. But yeah, that's a very small television, and that's something they should try to maybe think about upgrading at this hotel. So here at the bathroom, we have one of these sliding doors, and it's kind of hard to open and close. I don't know whether something's messed up with the rollers, but this is the bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom. It's got the the lit up mirror. We have hot and cold running water, a Blvd refreshing cleansing bar. We got some high quality stuff here. A Blvd rosemary mint body lotion, a Blvd rosemary mint weightless conditioner, and Essential Elements shampoo. A couple of washcloths. We got a little makeup mirror here. Box of Kleenex, 2 bath towels, a few hand towels. These are very nice towels too. They're not your standard hotel towels. They actually seem to have some texture to them. It's not just plain old terry cloth. The toilet paper is stamped with the Renaissance R, so you know that nobody else has used it. A Kohler toilet, and they have an extra roll of toilet paper there for us. have a stand-up shower. No bathtub. It looks like they gave us a couple more bath towels, or maybe that's a bath mat. See how the shower works. That's a very good flowing shower head. And there's a little light in the shower, so you don't have to rely on the light from the rest of the bathroom. You can get your own light in the shower. So anyway, that concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Be sure and leave a comment. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.